I, Prashant Sharma, DIU NIC, will be presenting a very simple, effective IT tool by which we are implementing very effective governing models. So there are certain tools we developed in our district, like the employee work management system, digital record room, and DGMS. And actually, we are lively monitoring all Mamlatdar offices using CCTV. But our USP is EWMS or employee work management system. As we all know, that service delivery to common citizen is the primary goal of any government office institution in district or block level. So, and service delivery mainly depends on files. Hundreds of employees are continuously working on those files. Maybe those people are holding those files or continuously transferring those files. And by simply tracking these files, we can develop a lot of valuable information. And being HOD of some other department, you guys are already having some offline or online systems which are helping us to track the work what we are doing in our offices. But the difference what we did is, or what the limitations I must represent, the limitations what we are having right now is that service delivery basically, what the service delivery basically depends on the files, and we never know that how many number of files are pending. Where are the files are pending, how those files are moving, and who is having the heavier workload, and who is the best working employee. And especially whenever we develop a new online IT project, then there are always resistance from the existing employees that those people are not accepting due to complexity or some other way. So in EWMS we developed a portal by the help of NIC. We just created all the branches, tables and users of all collector offices and block level offices to identify general subjects and creating the database. And 100% files are being tracked due to this system. And by giving extensive training to the existing staff and some proactive administration participation, we are effectively able to deploy the system. Basically, the most important two reports we are getting is file arrival rate and disposal rate in our district. File arrival rate simply means that how many files the person is receiving on his table per day, and file disposal rate simply means how many files the person is disposing per day. Disposing means he is transferring or disposing. The benefits what we got is real-time file tracking. We are doing a number of pending files. We are able to get longest pending files, and classification of employees can be done. That who is doing better and who is not working. And some file classification can also be done. The most important thing is workload management we are able to do. There are some departments which were processing the files within 15 to 20 days. And there are some departments which were working like they were taking 100 days to dispose a particular file. So based on this system, we were able to identify what is the workload basically on a particular branch or a table. And we, by the real-time data, we were able to do a workload management. As I just said, that IT project adaptability is always an issue with the existing staff. Maybe those staff are aging, or somebody must be saying that I might be retiring in coming year, so I may not be able to work on a new project. So we need to hire new data entry operators and everybody. We need to invest a lot. And many a times some bigger projects don't collect just because of this reason that people are registering. So most important thing by the continuously evaluating our project we developed is EWMS, and we are keeping it very simple. Very simple means there are four screenshots you can see on the project screen. First is the home page. Home page means the daily work job what you are doing on your table. As in collector office Mehsana, every employee is taking care of his own work. So every day he knows that how many files are pending on his own table, and from how many days this particular file is pending. And the other thing is that whenever we need to do a new file entry, we are keeping it very minimum, like only 6 to 7 fields we need to enter. And we did all the subjects, everything of district Mehsana. So every file, every subject file report can be taken care of. And whenever we click a particular file ID, we are giving a unique file ID to every file. So you can see in the corner report that we can see a lot of details, including the transfer log. It is showing below that file is moving from this table to another table, and how much days it took on a particular table. And to transfer the file, there are always a system, like we are having some private vendors also who are working with a similar kind of system. Those people are insisting that we need to put some remarks on the file when we are transferring. But as we know that government likely aging employees always complain about the system that remarks are taking time, or why do we need to the duplicacy. In that case, to transfer the file, we just ask them to simply click an option that where you want to transfer the file on this table, and click the transfer button. So this is, we are keeping like easy to use system, and now there are valuable reports. These are reports which are very important. Like as we have just seen in the earlier slide that we need not. Sure. In the earlier slide.
ये एप्लीकेशन का बारे में बोलेंगे कि ओवरऑल जैसा हमारा जूरी मेंबर्स बोल रहे हैं ना,
So the valuable report here we can see like say the pendency is there and subject where and file arrival disposal rates are there. So this is the main result what we got in like in year 2011-12. Like no online system was there. So we can see like just by calculating the manual system we find out the number of file disposal per month was 523. And after implementing the system, it got doubled, 1001 files. This is the average of whole complete year. And file residency period shows that number of files employee was holding on a stable was approximately 14 days. And now it is reduced to 4. Average per file disposal time in the whole system to 100 days, now it is 35. And the best working employees who were taking care of 6.15 files per day, now those people are taking care of 13.21 files per day. So this is the thing what we did in the last 2 years. And this is my final slide. This is the outcome what we got, and now we are ensuring the better service delivery is there and people are working. And the most important thing is that everybody is using his own system. We need not depute any operators. We need quite simple system. That's we are not using any fancy technology, but it is like proactive administration and that's a simple IT tool. That's how we are developing it. Thank you very much.
आपसे कि जैसे आज की डेट में RDI एक्ट का सबको पता है, there is also an open data sharing and accessibility policy of the government of India. जैसे ये सब डेटा आपका है और obviously within the administration everybody has access to this type of data. Do you also make this type of data apart from let's say for this type of presentation here just in the public domain कि अच्छा पहले आपका इतना टाइम लगता था, अब इतना टाइम लगता है? Do you publish it proactively that data also? और फाइल डिस्पोजल में पहले आपको 10 दिन लगते थे, अब 4 दिन लगते हैं.
We have not done any public presentation, but it got published in newspapers and media everywhere.
I'm not saying from that perspective. I'm saying कि रोज हर दिन या हर हफ्ते या हर महीने या हर साल आप प्रोएक्टिवली पब्लिक को भी बता रहे हैं, जनता को भी बता रहे हैं कि अच्छा पहले हम ऐसे करते थे काम और हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं और उससे ऐसा हो रहा है. क्योंकि ये जो डेटा दिखा रहे हैं आप, ये है आपके मेजरमेंट के हिसाब से. हो सकता है जनता में इसका उसका फर्क उतना नहीं पड़ा हो सकता है इससे ज्यादा हो सकता है, इससे कम हो. तो अगर आप ये डेटा भी पब्लिश कर रहे हैं तो शायद ज्यादा अच्छा होगा. ये एक सुझाव. और अब आज की डेट में एक्चुअली गवर्नमेंट की जो पॉलिसी है एनडीएस एक्ट उसके अंतर्गत ये मैंडेट भी. जैसे अभी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का अगर आप देखें तो ई-ताल बनाया है, e-tal.gov.in. तो उसी तरह से अगर लोकल लेवल पर अगर आप
मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ऑपरेटिव्स बैठे आपके साथ एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ.
थैंक यू.
ये स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. अभी तो यहाँ पर कोई है नहीं जिसमें कंफर्टेबल लेवल. आपका एक क्वेश्चन है?
एक और
प्रेजेंटेशन तो मैं ये स्टोरी क्योंकि कॉन्टेक्स्ट में है आपको मैं बताऊं. जैसा दीपक ने बताया ये साल हो गया तो हमारा डिपार्टमेंट का हो गया सर्विस छोड़ दिया था. 2004 में हम लोग जब स्वयं बनाया then I decided with the support of my joint secretary Mr. Chandrasekhar that स्वयं का क्या प्रोग्रेस होगा वो पब्लिक डोमेन में आएगा. Naturally there was a hue and cry क्योंकि then it was decided Chandrasekhar was supporting the secretary was not that much keen. But 2004 e-tal का कोई भी नहीं था. वो जगह की बैठी चार्ज लगा दी. But we wanted to say because I first time I thought then it was decided कि minister को पूछा जाएगा. So we went to Mr. Maran, he was the secretary of the minister. We went to Mr. Maran. The Maran साहब looked at me. It was उनको मालूम है इसलिए अपने इंग्लिश में बोला. He never speaks Hindi. No, there may be parliament question and all. That question parliament में मैं देखता हूँ मेरे को आंसर मेरे को लिखना है. आपने साइन कर दो. We are very friendly guys that way. He told okay if you are confident then you will, but try to see that much of assurance is not there. I understood what is meant by assurance because always I write parliament question answer. 8 years I have read the parliament questions of DIT. उन्होंने सर वो तो काफी रहेगा. I am not able to actually. So 2003-4 there was a thinking. अभी e-tal को I think mandate हो गया, but there was a thinking that it should come in public domain because the transparency of first important है. जैसे इनका सुझाव है प्लीज टेक विपक्ष सुझाव वेरी सीरियसली. आप अगर इतना आपको इसका डिविडेंड मिलेगा पब्लिक कॉन्फिडेंस का एनॉर्मस बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट को इतना स्केप्टिकली लोग देखते हैं वो हम लोग वहाँ से निकालने का बहुत जरूरी है. एंड आईसीटी विल गिव यू दैट स्ट्रेंथ बिकॉज पहले तो डेटा ठीक ठाक रहेगा. पहले डेटा को कम करने का कोई जगह बता नहीं. गवर्नमेंट में हम लोग सब काम किया है फाइल से कागज को एक कर देना बहुत आसान चीज है, ईमेल तो कर दीजिए। इसलिए हम ईमेल को बोल रहे थे ट्रांजैक्शन में ईमेल आ जाए। ERPG में हम लोग चिट्ठी लिख के मीटिंग करके थक गया है अभी तक। फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, ईमेल इज एन ऑफिशियल पेपर फॉर कंपनी। अभी भी नहीं है, 11 साल के बाद। वी हैव बीन ट्राइंग, वी विल कंटिन्यू टू ट्राई। जो नहीं है, ध्यान नहीं सर, ये आई थिंक इनर्शिया है।
No, I will say this is the greatest hope. And 68 मेरा सबसे बड़ा आशा क्लियर ये है कि ये होना चाहिए। एक इसी के लिए गलतियों से सीखो, क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ।
अभी पैनल डिस्कशन में चर्चा करेंगे। गणेशन बैठे हैं, ही इज द लास्ट पर्सन, ही मस्ट बी वेरी
सवाल जो है
हाँ
भारत सरकार की जो ई ऑफिस परियोजना, आपका इससे कोई इंटीग्रेशन है ई ऑफिस से, या आपका स्टैंड अलोन इनिशिएटिव है और ई ऑफिस की तरफ भी ध्यान है इससे आपका?
Sir, it is kind of an initiative. You have a signature, right? But collectors are communicating using that system. You know, communicating with the government. But this is continuously working with our own system. And then now this system has been being adopted by state government to implement it in India.
What about e office? Is it there anywhere?
E-office is basically being an NIC card. We are using that e-office program to transfer the files. Maybe I got some letter from e-office. But being a revenue person, like collectors are everybody using this system.
anyway, e-office has been mandated to NIC.
Right, sir.
And MMP, you are from NIC.
Yes, sir.
So you have to do convergence. That is what he is asking. Convergence आपको करना ही है, तो ऊपर से आएगा तो करना है। कोई क्वेश्चन है? कोई क्वेश्चन कर लीजिए।
बेसिकली जो आपके सिस्टम से पता चला, ये जो फाइल मूवमेंट यू आर डूइंग, सो दैट्स अ पैरेलल प्रोसेस आई गेस। योर फिजिकल फाइल मूवमेंट्स आर आल्सो देयर एंड द सिस्टम यू आर आल्सो डूइंग इट। सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ चेक एंड balances you are doing it? Suppose being ऑफिसर, I am sending the file electronically to somebody else, but he has not received the physical file. So how do you manage? Because the system will be showing that file, that guy has received the file and is pending at my level. So what is the kind of check and balance you are doing?
This is the administrative approach what we adopted. Like as you just said that file tracking and a person has not physically sent the file, it is transferred online. So what we are doing, like if you can see that collectors are me and particularly additional collectors are we three people usually go to random checking of a particular branch that we are just picking at particular table that show me all your files. It should be on your system. It should actually match the figure which is online system. It should be on the paper.
That's a
And
random
none of the
check you are
files
doing. That's a random check.
Right, sir, random check. But they generated such kind of terror in all the branches that they started doing data entry, and every fortnightly they were doing meetings, regular meetings that okay, you have 100 files on your system, you are showing your efficiency a lot. But what about transferring those files? Are you really working? And
That's a major challenge in government offices, you know, sending the
Let me intervene for sake of time. This is a stabilizing period. Nobody wants to see files on his table. If the data entry is done and officer is known that data entry is done, you will see the file physically moves out. And then what is the delay time is from one chair to another chair. Transit time, delay time is the transit time. So that will come down. So it's a stabilizing process. हम लोग हमारा कंट्री है, 5000 का साल का ये है, हिस्ट्री है, चलता है, चल जाएगा।
जैसे कि कलेक्टर का डंडा इज नो रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर एनीथिंग एल्स, वो तो चलेगा ही, डंडा कभी बन जाता है।
सही बताया। पैनल डिस्कशन में हमारे DIT का हालत क्या था, शुक्ला जी ने याद करवा दिया, मैं आपको आपसे शेयर करूँगा। अबाउट फाइल ट्रैक।